Hey everyone, how are you guys doing? I hope you're all doing great. Today's video is something I'm very excited to be talking about, something I've been waiting for a really long time. It's about the University of Toronto's 12-step plan to reopen. So if you guys want to find out exactly what they're doing for students to safely go back to school, stay to the end. So the first step is the UCheck health screening. You have to self-screen before coming to campus every day. So you log into UCheck, you answer the questionnaire that we're all used to, answer all those questions about if you have symptoms or anything, if you traveled outside of Canada, anything like that. And at the end of the questionnaire, you're going to submit it and it's going to say if you are okay to come to campus or not. You can do this either through the UCheck website or you can do also a paper-based assessment. In this website, you also have to provide proof of vaccination. So you log into UCheck, you select the option to complete your vaccination status form, follow all the instructions, and it's going to be really easy to figure it out. The second step is scheduling and capacity limits. So they're adjusting occupancy of indoor spaces through scheduling, and they're also setting capacity limits to make sure everyone stays socially distanced from each other, which goes hand in hand with the second step, which is physical distancing. They're making sure that students stay 2 meters apart by rearranging furniture and everything like that. They're also making sure that you have to wear masks in indoor spaces, which is the fourth step. And then for the fifth step is enhanced cleaning. So they're cleaning indoor spaces like high traveled areas like classrooms, libraries, everything like that, every Monday to Friday. And they're also cleaning high touch areas like door handles, bathroom fixtures, all those high touch areas. They're cleaning it also Monday to Friday in the morning and in the evening. They're also making sure to have hand sanitizers and sanitizing wipes in high traffic areas. They're making it readily available so that you can sanitize your hands all the time. The sixth and seventh step are very similar. They're assessing air filtration and also air ventilation, so that you can replace indoor air with outdoor air all the time. The eighth step now is contact tracing. So they're supporting additional contact tracing efforts through building access QR codes. The ninth step is monitoring wastewater in large residencies. The 10th step is rapid screening. So you have to do a rapid screening test if you do not provide proof of vaccination. So they provide a monthly supply of screening kits that you can pick up on all campuses, and it takes approximately 5 minutes to administer and 15 minutes to get the results. You have to do it at home prior to coming to campus. If you live in residence, you have to do the rapid screening test prior to leaving your residence. Now for the last two steps. The 11th step is new COVID-19 guidelines. So they're enabling department-specific COVID guidelines and also tools for on-site and research activities. And now for the 12th step, I think we all know it's vaccination. So you must provide proof of vaccination unless you have a university-approved exemption or you're awaiting your second dose of the vaccine. And that's it for their 12-step plan to reopen. I'm very excited to go back to school finally. It's opening on February 7th. So that's it, guys. Please follow me on Instagram, TikTok. I'm going to put it all over here like always. Please subscribe to the channel. And that's it. Bye.